Hello guys, what's going on? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to make a tutorial about ChatGPT, and in this video guys I'm going to share with you how actually I got ChatGPT Plus for free. So as you can see, I'm here in my account guys, and I'm going to show you right now when I activated the promo code which gave me ChatGPT Plus for 12 months. So as you can see over here, I'm using this code, and the code guys, it got activated successfully. And I'm going to show you right now step by step how I did this, so you can do it also you on your own. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to grab your phone in your hand. It doesn't matter what kind of phone it is. It can be iOS, it can be Android. The steps actually are going to be the same. The next step to do is to go to your internet browser and search about this site called lulucoupons.com. So once you're gonna enter in, you have a lot of other things which you can check later if you're interested for something else. I'm just gonna use the searching bar to find it faster. Here it is. Press on it and press show coupon code. Now you just need to wait a couple of seconds for the circle to get complete until the end. Once it's going to be done, it's going to take you to the next page and it's going to show you the code is actually locked. So you need to press the button below. And then the next step is going to require you guys to complete a little task in order to unlock the code for free. So all you have to do, you just need to read the instructions. It says here, download the complete 2 apps below to unlock ChatGPT Plus code for free. You have a note, do not use VPN or proxy. If you're using any VPN or proxy, you need to turn it off before guys, so you don't have an interruption during the process. So down below, you're going to find this list of the apps which you need to choose 2 apps from the list to complete this task. All the apps are for free guys. As you can see, you don't have to pay anything, and all the apps are coming from official stores, from App Store or Play Store, depends on the phone that you are using. All you need to do is to read the instructions and try to find which app is the easiest one so you don't lose too much time on them. Once you're going to choose which one you want to do it, you just need to press on it, and then it shows again the instruction what you have to do, and press unlock now. It's going to take you to App Store if you're using an iPhone, or Play Store if you're using an Android device. So once you're going to get connected with your official store, the first thing you have to do guys is to download the app. And then after you download the app, you need to complete the task required as per description. When you finish with the first one, you go back, do the second app, and then you're going to be able to unlock the code, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. I'll just need to complete the apps real quick, and then I'll come back to you to show how to unlock the code. Here we are guys, I just completed both of the apps. I did this 2 over here, and now how to unlock the code. You have to go back one more time to the site. You come back one more time over here, and then down below you're going to find this button to take you back. For iPhones is over here, for Android you should have it here to take you back. You press it, and then as you can see, the code get unlocked. If you try to get back immediately without completing any task, the code will show locked again. Or if you didn't complete the task correctly as per description, the code will show locked again. So you need to pay a little bit of attention to the description so you don't make any mistake guys. So this code is unused one. It's going to be a gift from my first viewer guys. For the rest of you, you just need to complete the steps that I showed you. You're going to be able to do it as well. So this is it guys in short words. If you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe this channel guys. You're going to get the latest updates. See you in the next videos guys. Cheers.